I know Facebook ads is very difficult, but don't worry, this is the only tutorial you need for Facebook ads. In this video, I will take you from amateur to the expert level for this section. But before we start running ads, make sure you follow these 5 steps and then your ads will work better. First of all, make sure you run ads with the Facebook account that at least 6 months old. And also, you need to use this account as a normal people. What I mean by that, you need to like other people's posts, you need to post yourself, you need to have a profile photo of yourself, and you need to have friends on your Facebook account, and then Facebook will recognize this as a real account, and even if they restrict your account, it will be easier for you to solve this problem. Before you run ads, your store should be very professional, especially your product page. Don't make it very complex, make it easy to understand. Use professional photos, use detailed descriptions, variants, price, photo reviews especially are important. Just make it user friendly. When the customer go to your website, they shouldn't feel like it's a scam website or it's not professional. And also make sure you set up all the backend applications for your store before you're running ads. For example, the abandoned checkout emails or SMS or pop-ups for collecting emails. So these applications will increase your conversion rate. And then you should have different kind of videos or photos for the advertising. Even you can test same video but with different text on it. So it's all about testing. And finally, decide your budget. Most of the people spend just $5 a day, and then if they don't make a sale in the first or second day, and then they will just turn off the ad set and they will say it's not working, dropshipping is scam, blah blah blah. But you need to be patient and you need to know how to spend your money. So guys, now let's start running ads already. First of all, in the ads manager, we create the new campaign, and here we choose sales objective because we need conversions. Click continue, and we choose manual sales campaign. Continue again. And this is the campaign level. Here we don't need to do too much thing. We will just name the campaign. For example, let's name like this. And then we continue with the ad set level. And here make sure your pixel is connected and you choose the purchase as an event. Maximize number of conversions. Okay, we continue with the budget. I advise you minimum $10 because it's okay if you run ads with $5, but then you have to test many ad sets at the same time. For example, 7, 10 ad sets if you want to start with $5. Okay, we continue with the countries, and I always recommend you to test e-packet countries. How you can get this list? You just Google it, e-packet countries list, and copy paste here. You'll need to click browse, save locations, and create list. Here you will choose countries and paste all these countries, and then you can every time use this list just with one click. It will save here. And here I will remove some countries. For example, French Polynesia, Malaysia, Mexico, because for these countries which I'm deleting, the shipping usually is expensive to these countries, or the supplier doesn't have delivery to these countries. That's why I delete some of them. And also I will delete Turkey. uh, Continue, Denmark, Australia, Thailand, Indonesia, Russia, Hong Kong, Brazil, Ukraine. Okay, these countries are enough. And then we continue with the audience suggestion. Here we will target our interest. This part is custom audience. This is for lookalike audience or custom audience. We will cover this later. I will have another video about the lookalike ads. So in this video, we will cover this interest targeting. The age for this product, around like 21 to, I don't know, around like 48 is okay. It's all about testing. I don't know which age will work. I'm just adding random age, okay, but I don't think the younger people will buy this product. That's why I choose 21 or even 23 actually would be better. Genders, I will keep both genders for my product. So we continue with the interest, and here I always advise you to test one interest per ad sets, because I tested different methods also, but it's working the best for me actually. That's why, for example, let's search any gift related interest. For example, gift wrapping. We will choose this one. We can find another interest for other ad sets. We see birthday event or gift shop. Maybe we can check this interest later. So as I say, this interest, and I will name this ad set. Okay, and continue with the placement. I always do manual placement, remove audience network and messenger, and make sure you choose only these options. We don't need marketplace, right column, business explorer, in streams, search result. Okay, this should be enough for us, and then we continue to the ad level. And here, make sure you choose your Facebook page and Instagram page correctly. And then we will do manual upload, single image video. I always turn off this. And then you will add your video here or image, it's up to you. And then add your primary text. I will add just the one sentence. It should be short text and also interesting for the product. So I will just add this sentence and one emoji like this. Headline, I usually add the product name and description. It's not super important actually. And then call to action will be shop now. Then add your product link. Make sure you put the product link, not the collection or homepage, only product page. And that's all. You can publish this ad. After you publish your first ad, then you will need to go to ad set level, and here you will see this duplicate button. Click on this. I always advise you to run 3-4 ad sets for each product, because you can test different interests, different countries, different ages, or different contents. So make sure you run as many ad sets as you can, so you will find your winning audience easily. So let's run 4 ad sets for this campaign. I will just make it 3 copies and click duplicate. It will duplicate me these ad sets, and I will change only interest here for each ad set. For example, I can choose gift shop and then change the ad set name, then continue with this one. For example, we can test upcoming birthday, maybe. Yeah, and then we will go to the final ad set. This product is for usually is for the couples, but they can order this for their kids or their, for example, parents. So you can target actually everybody here. For example, let's say parents want to buy this product for their kids. Okay, so we can choose parents here, and we will see different kind of demographics here. I think 1-2 years will be better for this product, and I will name. Okay, that's all. And then we will publish the campaign and the ad sets will be ready. And I also advise you to run page like ads. It will be better your page health. And also make sure you post on this page every week, so Facebook will see you are active, and they will not ban your account easily. So here we will choose engagement, continue, and again we will name campaign, continue to the ad set level, and here you will choose this Facebook page, maximize number of page likes. You will choose, I advise you $5 or $3 is okay, it's up to you. It will bring you more sales. And again we will choose here e-packet list, and then continue with the audience. Age will be again 21 to, for example, 48. Genders both, and one interest will be enough. We continue. You can keep it like this, the placement, and continue. Make sure you connect correct page. Turn off this and then add a just single photo, for example this one, and add a text about the product, and then publish your ad. So guys, let these ad sets run for at least 3-4 days, because it's just the $10 a day. So that's why Facebook needs to spend money to understand which data, which audience is working for you, because there's a learning phase for the pixel. So that's why you need to be patient. So guys, if you make one sale in the first 3 days, then you need to check first metrics, okay? Which age range, which gender, which interest made you a purchase. Then you will duplicate this ad set. For example, from 18 to 24 age, only women, only Instagram placement works better. So you can target these metrics and run ads like this without changing your budget. But let's say your ad set made more than one sales in the first day, for example 2 sales, 3 sales, then you will need to duplicate this ad set and increase the budget without changing anything, okay? For example, if your ad set is $10 a day, then you can duplicate it to $20 or $15, or you can duplicate these ad sets 2 times and you can target different things here. But if you don't make any sale in the first 3-4 days, just you will need to turn off these ad sets and test different audience. It doesn't mean ads is not working for this product, just you need to find the correct audience for your product. For example, if your product price is around $40-50, then I advise you to run ads $10 or $15 ad set, okay? Or if it is above the 50, for example $60-70, then you can test $20, because if the product price is more, then you need to spend more on advertising. After you have enough data, enough purchase, then you can start running lookalike ads. It's little bit more advanced. I will make another video about the lookalike ads, targeting ads, custom audience. You will get more profit from the lookalike ads compared to interest targeting, because you already have enough data. Facebook already know who to show your ad. That's why your cost per clicks will be lower and you will get better results. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I hope you learned something useful in this video. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe channel so you will not miss my future contents.